Hey guys, what is up? Today we are going to be harvesting I don't know if we are going to do both fields today, but we are going to have at least try to get most of our soybean field done because that is going to be our biggest field. So first we need to, yeah, there's nothing in the silo. First, ooh, there's rain in the forecast. When's that supposed to hit? Ooh, 19. Ooh. Let me go to settings real quick. Real time. Okay. It's supposed to hit 1900, so I have 3 hours. Yeah. This truck sounds so good when it comes alive. I'll just back up this, and I think, well, yeah, I'm just gonna park it by the road because, well, this is a back road, and I don't think any cops will really care too much. And because, well, there's basically no traffic. I did put the Farmall A up front and the mower up in the shed up there. So, that's really the only thing I've done. Now, oh, it's that and that, maybe? How do I open oh, there we go. Okay, we'll leave this here, and then I need I don't know. Sorry guys, my brain's just completely dead. Okay, we need this. Wait, should I take this one? Or the 1066? I think I'm going to do this one. Oh yeah, that's where I put the John Deere mower. Should be fine. It's these doors. The duals on this tractor, they barely fit through the door. See real quick, look. I have that much room. Ooh, that might hit. Is it going to? Nope, we're good. We're good, but look. Oh no, I am hitting it. It's okay. Nobody saw that. It's fine. Let me go grab my auger trailer. Should have pulled it out with a smaller tractor, but I don't think it would do it. I don't think it'd have enough power to pull it out. And I also need the combine, and that should be it. This, and then I need to take this out. Ooh, this tractor's struggling. This thing shouldn't struggle. It has enough power. I mean, if it's struggling now, I don't want to imagine what it's going to be like when it's completely full. Because that's gonna be something if this thing can't pull it. There doesn't seem to be too many hills and stuff, so I think we'll be fine on the hills. If this land was very hilly, then I'd have to worry because of, well, if that tractor's struggling now. I don't want to imagine what it would be on a hill. This combine is a 98, so yeah, I'll be fine. What's the best way? What's the best way to go? If I go around here, I'm gonna run over crop in the back. If I go, I'm gonna have to run over crop anyway. But I should get trailers for this stuff. Uh, can. Oh yeah, this will fit over here. But I am gonna have to run over crop. It's not too much, so we'll be okay. I don't think we'll lose too much money from it. Ooh, I'm very crooked. Just not run over any more crop. I've already lost enough. There we go. We'll turn around. Unfold this. Come on. There we go. And then I'm just going to how do it's comma. Of course, I should have bought a bucket. And I am going to go to, is it this? I don't want to hire a worker. I just want to do this. Steering assist to, yeah, that'll be fine. Yep. Now let me go here. And there. I'm probably gonna do most of this first person, besides turning around and stuff. So this field shouldn't take too long. We're not yielding the best. So we'll probably I know I'm going to have to probably do. I know I'm going to have to do fertilizer. I don't know if I'm going to have to do lime to this field. I didn't look to see if this field needed lime or not. And everything is going good. I don't see anything broken. Everything seems to go well. I am going to hire a worker on this. I just wanted to see how it's going. Start with headland, yes. While he does that, I will say AI workers have gotten a lot smarter since like 22 and 19. But I think they're still a little, I think they're missing a couple gears in their brain. Now I gotta go grab a bucket. Yeah, I do want to grab a bucket because I don't want this huge pile of straw just sitting here. I don't know where to put it. I don't have anything to go. I do have a telehandler, so I'm probably just gonna get a bucket for that. What truck should I take? No, I'll put this one. I'll take the 73. Now this thing does fly, so. On the back roads, it's okay if I speed, don't worry. Here's our guy. There's our worker going. comment down below what I should name our workers. Should I name them or should I just say AI or helper A through Z or okay, you guys blinked, right? You didn't see that? What am I stuck on? I don't know. You guys didn't see that, right? I'm pretty sure you guys blinked. I know that one person in the very back probably didn't, but you know. I forgot what I was. Oh yeah. Should I just call him AI worker or should I give him a name? Comment down below. And if you do say name, what should I name him? Yep, we're good. And let me turn into here. And I'm just gonna park here. Here's some of their used equipment. I know I'm not parked. But let's see what they have. So do they have anything for use? No, not really. Nothing I need. Telehandler. Yeah, that's the only bucket that, okay. There's nothing really other. Oh, this is a bale fork. Let's just do this. I have no clue where I'm gonna dump it or anything. Should I? Comment down below. Should I get a fuel trailer or no? It would be handy. Should I get a fuel trailer or should I put a fuel tank on the farm? If I would, I don't know where I would because, well, the farm's kind of on the smaller side. Yeah, it's just, this... Oh, this is a lot heavier than I thought. You know, with the way it is, the way the world is, you'd think this all would be plastic. Come on. Hold on. Let me back up a little closer to it. Okay. Come on. Come on. Now let me try to push it. Dang, these buckets are heavy. So I lost my bucket. Oh, of course. Why wouldn't? So apparently, I don't know if it's a mod or what, but apparently none of my trucks like to use straps. So, well, let's go and reset that. Here we go. View on map. I'm gonna reset this. Is this my tool over here? It is. Reset that. Oh, I hear the combine. So if I go there, come on. Now what happens if I go with, yeah, nope, okay, it does not like that either. Reset. Okay. Where'd my thing go? Okay, I'm just not going to be able to use straps at all. I found that out. Okay, come on. There we go. Now I need to find the bucket. Bucket, here it is. View on map. Reset. Okay. I swear these things are getting lighter and lighter as I keep having to pick them up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just don't tell anybody. Just come. Okay. We're not driving crazy. Cause, well, quite frankly, I don't want to use, I don't want to. There. No. Okay. I'm coming back. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna grab my smaller trailer and the 67. And I'm going, oops. It's okay. They'll never catch me alive. And I'm going to put the telehandler on it. I'm going to take the forks off, put it on. Oh, that sounds very hard. Okay. I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab the bucket. How's our worker doing? I don't know how he's going to do. Do, 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 do. Looks like he's done a headwind. Is he going back and forth now? Looks like it. I don't know. He hasn't sent me a message, so we must be good. Okay. This is my luck right here. Nothing goes right. Okay. Let me open this. Let me just you know. No, nobody has to know. Yes, I do have super strength installed, so that's one of my mods. I know it may be cheating, but it's a lot better than using a telehandler or something, especially with trailers. Though that's just whew. If you've never tried to back up a trailer with two axles, one with a not a drawbar, the tongue on it, and the other one, good grief, I can't drive today. If you've ever tried to back that up, you'll know what I mean. They aren't fun. So the telehandler should fit on this. Let me go grab it. I mean, I think it will. I don't think we'll have a problem with it. Besides that this thing is very big in a very small shop. So let me just tilt it all the way up. And then I do have crab steering on. And that helps a lot. Okay, let me put this down. And let me back on out. Without going over the ramp, because that would be... Oh yeah, it'll fit, I think. Oof. I don't know if the 67 is going to be able to handle this. Let me pull it up a little more. Back it up like that. Turn this off. So with straps, it's fine if I go and I strap to the trailer, like see it didn't fly away. But if I attach anything to the truck, it freaks out. Which I mean, I'm fine with. I don't really mind it. Just that I have to bring a trailer for everything. I can't believe this 67's doing it. I mean, it's not that oh, where's our AI? Oh, there he is. I didn't see our AI worker, and I got a little worried. Because I know that sometimes they like to go into a ditch or anything. So, well, it is what it is. I mean, he's not going away, and he hasn't sent me a message. So, I mean, the harvester, it does harvest crop quite fast at 6 miles an hour. I should probably slow down. This thing doesn't have that good of brakes. I'm pumping the brakes right now, because that helps when you have to stop. Put on my blinker. Comment below if you... This is kind of like my farming series, but I can do a logging series, I can do landscaping. Comment down below if you want to see any of that, or have any other ideas of what roleplay I could do. Because I am up, woohoo, because I am up for anything. I haven't done any rice or anything like that before, so I'm not quite familiar with it. Oh no, oops. I think it'll be able to back up. Fun fact with logging, in real life we have I think it's around 10 plus years old. Anyway, it's an old John Deere Gator, and we took that and we cut down a couple of trees, and it was fine. I just had to lock my differentials, and it was completely fine. And with all the other logs, and this came this big one, completely fine in the grass, and then as soon as we went in the driveway, it was all loose gravel, just from, well, not being compacted in all the way. It wasn't new or anything, but I lost complete traction, and I left tire marks in our driveway. So that was fun. I did rake them back and everything. I raked it so it was flat. So I created 2 albums for my videos. One's going to be for Farming Simulator, and the other one's going to be mowing. I just ordered a strap for my phone, so sorry if the quality's not the best, but I'm going to be recording it on my phone, and then I may get a GoPro once stuff starts to happen with my channel and everything, if it starts to become a little more popular. My truck's sliding around a little bit. But I will be doing like landscaping and stuff like that. I am going to be going to the Half Century of Progress show in Illinois. I'm pretty sure you pronounce it Ratatouille, something like that, Illinois. Sorry if I butchered that name. I'm going to be going there, so I will probably be recording there, and I might see one of my favorite YouTubers. His channel is called Just a Few Acres Farm. You guys should go watch him. He's a 45 acre. He has cattle. He has chickens, all sorts of stuff. You should go check him out. But anyway, just rolling back now. Seems like our AI worker's doing things, so that's good. Can't really see what he's... Oh. Yeah, he's going... Why'd he split the field? You know what? Nope, I'm Nope, I'm just not going to ask questions and keep on driving. That's what you do with an AI worker if you have no clue what it's doing. Just don't look and keep on driving. I have to make a little wider of a turn because I don't want to hit the farm all A. Am I going to hit it? No, I'm fine. I'm going to unload it here. I'm not going to take care of this soybean stuff. My brain's completely dead. I'm not going to take care of that right now. I will take care of it probably either at the end of this episode or in another one. Can this fit? Yeah, I can. Just because, well, I have harvesting to do. But if you guys don't like something about my videos or I'm doing something wrong, please comment down below. I'd love to fix what I'm doing wrong. What? I just fell through the floor. Oh. Yep, I just fell. There's beams here. There we go. Jump over this. Okay, well, there's a board that I need to change. Fell right through it. Let's see. I don't see it anymore. I don't know. I bet you the board bent back. Like, not bent back, but it slipped, fell right through it, and then it kind of... I hope you guys know what I'm saying. My brain's just gone. I'm going to use the smaller tractor to put this away. Yes, I'm driving on my lawn. In real life, I'd never drive on my lawn unless I had to, or if it's with a lawnmower. That's the only time that I would. Because I don't like compaction, and neither does the ground. So, let me shut this. This harvester should be coming around shortly. Let me go and get this Farmo 100. I was looking back at the wall to see how close I parked it. Yeah, this thing has a little bit of a squeaky brakes. Just a little. I know, this is not the same tractor. This is a Farmall 100. This is a Farmall A. Yes, they may look the same, but there's a difference. I bet you the person that probably made these mods, they use the same body and everything, but there's different horsepower and stuff between them. And they're... Ooh, those brakes. Is this thing... Ooh. This tractor, I think it's a little, I mean, it handles it, but it's ugh, I don't... I don't know how to feel about it. I mean, this is a small trailer, too. Yes, it can probably fit 2 or 3 of these Farmall 100s on it. I mean, this thing does work quite nicely for backing stuff up. Now, I don't have a gooseneck attachment for it, but I'm really not too worried about it. I just want it for backing in, like, that small trailer and these two things, because I put those over there. And the way that this planter works is you pull it out, or you drive with it here, but before you plant, you disconnect there, and then you hook up here. So that's pretty cool, but you don't drive like that because, well, it'd take up both the ways of the road. I'm going to bring this up in the barn, and AI worker should be going. He should be almost done. I'm saying this, I'm not expecting too great of a yield this year, or too great of an income. Next year, I will be expecting a lot more. Not on YouTube, on here, because I'm going to put fertilizer, lime. I don't know if this land needs rolling or I don't know if this land needs to be rolled or not. Once this is done loading, I'll look of what I have to do to this land, or what it needs. Let's see. We own 33 and 15. Farming. 72 and 50. Okay. That's not too bad. This will be loading. Well, okay. So this means if you watch this worker, so once you're done harvesting it, that's the stuff that's coming out the back. And if I turn off mulch, what comes up? This doesn't need to be rolled or anything? Wow. Oh, sorry. My phone, or not my phone, my hand hit the mic. Huh. This is ready to harvest, but this doesn't say anything. Huh. Oh, because all this stuff was turned off. I'll just do this and soybeans. Sunflower, soybeans. There we go. So now, yeah, now it'll go. Harvested. If I turn off harvested, go to here. Yeah, wow. Okay. I don't need anything. So, that's pretty good. Okay, worker D has completed. So I will go run out to him. Oh good, he parked close. Doesn't look like he missed any spots so far. Okay. Let me hop up here. Yeah, see, we didn't even get a full tank from this. So it's a little... I think we'll be okay this year. We have 92,000 after we bought some stuff. Like we bought brought the bucket, we bought a couple, no, I'm not gonna wait. Yep, it's gonna go in there anyway. Okay. Well, I'll just let this unload, and I will see you next time when we will be harvesting the corn.